foodies, welcome to Om Nom Nom. So our today's recipe is Suji Afghani Momos. As you all know that we all are locked down at our homes due to this COVID-19 pandemic, so today I am bringing to you all this amazing recipe. So before we start with the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Om Nom Nom. So here we have our Suji momos and I have already shared the recipe of Suji momos with you all. You can go and check the recipe of Suji momos in the description box. We need 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Also we need Amul fresh cream and mayonnaise. So first of all I am taking this Amul fresh cream and I am going to pour it in a bowl. So now I am adding half a tablespoon red chili powder, half a tablespoon mixed herbs, half a tablespoon garam masala and salt as per taste. I am adding finely chopped garlic. Now I am going to mix it all very well. So here my cream mixture is ready. So now I am going to take a momo and dip it in the cream mixture and coat it very nicely in this mixture using a fork. So now it's time to roast my momos, which will give a very yummy tandoori flavor to my momos. So using a fork, I'm going to roast my momo on direct flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, I've covered the gas burner with foil paper so that it does not get dirty. Yes, I know that it's a bit time consuming, but the result is going to be amazing, guys, and you all are going to love this recipe. So we have been cooking this momo for about 2 minutes and now as you can see our momo is well cooked. Similarly, I am cooking my remaining momos as well. You can also put these momos in an oven, but cooking it on direct flame would give these momos an amazing smoky flavor and these would taste just like street style tandoori momos. These are really crispy, juicy and give an amazing tandoori flavor. So our tandoori Afghani momos are almost ready and now we are going to do one last step which would give an amazing restaurant style touch to our momos. Here we have taken some cream in a bowl and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon chaat masala to it. Now I am going to mix it very well. We are going to use this cream to make our momos even more creamy and juicy. So our tandoori Afghani momos are ready. These are not made using flour or maida but using suji. And guys, we all are nowadays free at home, so why not try this amazing recipe once? So I hope guys you enjoyed this recipe. Do try it at home once, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.